Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord 2T, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So let's just first launch the Play Store application, and here in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and installing on your device. After that, just click here to open the app and click yes, I agree. Then be close. On the left down corner, tap to OK. And now here we can see that section with the information about our device battery temperature. In my case, that's 32.5. Also, we can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, Android version, device model, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.